Alright, here we have an older Rheem unit that's running. You can see right here it says Rheem. This guy's off, this guy's on. As you can see, it's got the stamped octagon grills, which I always like. Is there a data panel anywhere on them? If there is, it's probably faded beyond. I'm afraid that's... yeah, I think that's a data panel. Can't really read anything of it, maybe. It is a data panel. Unless he's over here now. Yeah, I don't see a data panel on him unless... oh, there's a data panel. I just noticed that right there in the middle. Let's see here. That's part. The model number is RPW. Model number is RPW-075CAZ. This made March 2004, so this is 2004. Not that old, but. And then serial number 6096F1104109332. This is the 2004 Rheem. That was a little bit. That looks like. This guy's probably still the original. It's not running though. But yeah. Back to that tree there. But yeah, just thought I'd get this video showcasing this Rheem here. But yeah. Just old 2004 Rheem unit. I don't know if this is a heat pump or not. Does it say? It just says air conditioner. This might be straight cool. I don't know, but it's an old Rheem air conditioner. An older Rheem air conditioner from 2004. Over and out.